Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Everybody done? Okay. So now if you have any questions regarding any of the modules, you can ask me. Any modules, any question? If you have any confusion, you can let me know. No questions? Okay, fine. So we will do one thing. We will take 10 minutes break. Okay, so I think, it is like continuously you are having the session, 2 hours. You might be needing some rest, right? So we'll do one thing. 10 minutes we'll take the break and then we will be back. Okay, currently it is, 2:05. Okay, on my clock it shows 2:02, but I don't know, there is some 2 minutes difference that I find always. Okay, so, okay, or we will refer my system itself. Currently it is 2:02. We will be back by 2:10 or 2:15. What time? Tell me how much time you on the break. 2:10 or 2:15? 2:15? Okay, Fabi. 2:15. Okay, so everybody come back at 2:15. Okay. Take some rest, refresh yourself. 2:15, come back to the class. Okay. All right. Fine. Hello. Yes, I'm back. Everybody is there? Okay. I can see everyone over here. All right. So let's get started then again. Okay. So the next thing is the software design. Okay. Not much complicated topics over here. Again, some of the basics. So we have the telecom domain project, which is our AT&T, right? If we enter the login information, your username and password, click on the login button, you will be able to log in, right? So it is going to ask you whether you want to continue. You click on yes. And then it will take you to the account. So in this account, you have, the different information that is personalized. I mean, which is, relevant to a particular customer. Okay. So here you can see what is your current balance. Okay. And then how much payment you are supposed to make. What was the last payment that you did, right? You have manage my account wherein you can change the details. You can change your current plan. So there are different functionalities that are available here which will affect only your account. Okay. So this is what basically a personalized thing. And where is this all stored? So where should be your information stored? It will be stored here in the database. Okay. So all the information that is related to the customer will be stored where? In the database. Okay. In the form of tables. Like, we had the bank information of the customers was stored in the bank database. Then your telecom information will be stored in the database of your AT&T. Let's take an example of any educational institute or a university. All the information related to each and every student will be stored in the database of the university, right? So all the information in any organization has to be stored where? In the database. Okay. And the information that we get in the user interface. Okay, let's say this AT&T website. What is this? Nothing but a software, right? User interface, which you and me can see. So from where is this from where is this data getting here on our screen? It is from the database that this data is coming up on our screen, right? So we have the user interface or the front end, means your AT&T website that you can see. Okay. And then from where the data is coming here into this user interface, it is coming from the database of the AT&T. Okay. So these are two layers. Now we said that the developer writes a program. So where is this program stored? Okay, where are these programs getting executed? On the application server. I will also tell you what is the meaning of server later. Okay. So we have something called as application server, where the programs are implemented and where they are executed. Okay. Then we have one interface, which is going to connect the user interface and then our application server and the database. We call it as a web server. Because in the real time what happens, let's say you are a user, okay, and there are so many features that are related here into your account, and this is your database. So every time you want an information, the software is going to hit the database, get the data for you, right? So a person can require a lot of information. Let's say once you open your account summary will be there. I mean the previous transactions, the last payments or invoices, the current payment that you're supposed to make, then your profile related information, right? So there are some information which you'll be frequently using. So should the information be loaded once you log into the account, or every time you click on these things it should hit the database? What should happen? If every time it goes on hitting the database, then what happens? This database server will get loaded, because you are not the only customer who is accessing this database. There will be millions of customers of this AT&T who will be accessing this database. So for every small information, if you are repeatedly hitting the database, then what happens to this database? The efficiency reduces, the speed reduces. So what the web server does is, once you log into the account, it will make sure that all the related information about you, which you are very probable to access, it will take and save it on the web server. Okay. Then any information that you want, you will be directly getting it from here, right? So this is how the web server works. It works like an interface, okay, so that large number of customers or the users of the application can be handled. So this is basically for supporting, right? I hope you understand. So we have the user interface, that is your AT&T website. Application server is nothing but it is a server on which your programs are executed and stored. Database is the server wherein all the data is stored. So it is 4-layered logic. Okay. Now what is the meaning of server? We have been talking about like server, but what exactly we mean by the server? So you have your personal computer and your laptops, right? Your desktops, all of them, right? What are they? They are personal computers. What is the capacity of them? You can have some 500 GB hard disk, right? You have a processor that could be Intel Core i3, i5 something, Duo Core, Core Duo processors, correct? And then how many users can it support? 2 or 3 users it can support. Whatever information you store on your computer, it cannot be accessed by other people. It will be only in your computer. If you want to access it, you got to log in into your computer, right? So these are some of the features of your personal computer. But the server, okay, it has huge memory. Terabytes of memory it has, okay. The speed is high, very high compared to your personal computers. Number of users it can support, thousands of users it can support at once. Okay. So these are some of the features of server. And another most important thing is it is visible on the internet. Okay. So now you can see this AT&T website. Okay. There is so much information on this website. From where it is getting loaded? Okay. It is hosted on the server and you can see it here on your computer. Okay, because I'm connected to this internet, I'm able to see all the pages that are stored on this AT&T server. Okay, a computer which belongs to AT&T, in which all this kind of files are uploaded. Okay, the program files, software, everything is uploaded. So I can access it from my computer here because it is visible over the internet, right? So this is nothing but it's called as a server, which is visible over the internet. It can serve many of the clients. Now I can get connected to it. All of you can get connected to it. So large number of users can get connected to this site. It is high speed. Okay. It can support large number of users and the memory is also very huge. Okay. So these are some of the important features of a server. Again, okay, it is nothing but a computer with some, specialized features. Okay. Then we have the different environments. Let's see what are these environments. Okay, first you got to understand the meaning of environment. Then, I can tell you what is development, test, pre-production and production environment. Environment means it is not like, your ambience. Means you go to your IT company, a very nice cabin or a cubicle. Right? So that is not what I'm talking about. Not that kind of environment. Okay. This is the system environment. Means you have a computer that is assigned to you. There are certain softwares that are installed on that computer. It has certain hardware specification. So that forms your environment. I'm talking about your computer environment. Okay. Not your building environment. Okay. So there are 4 environments. Development, test, pre-production, and then the production environment. Okay. So let's see what are these. I will consider another project that is ATM. Everybody knows ATM, wherein you withdraw the cash. You can deposit a cash. You can deposit the checks now, right? You can also check your account summary, right? So this is nothing but your ATM. All right. So let's see how this ATM works now. Okay. It is nothing but a machine. Okay. I hope you have seen it. The machine. Sorry. And there will be some visual device over here, a kind of monitor. There will be some keys over here, a keypad. Nothing much. Okay. Cancel, enter, and some, number pad will be there. Then you will have the slots here wherein you can insert the card. Another slot wherein, you get your cash, right? So this is how your ATM looks like. Okay. So the software is installed in the ATM also. Because when you insert your card, it identifies your card, it validates it. It will ask you to enter the PIN number. You enter the PIN number, that is also getting validated. It will give you the different menu options, whether you
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.